We want to convert this equation, x squared plus y squared equals 6y, from rectangular coordinates into polar coordinates. And it's got a little hint here, r equals 0 is one solution. We're looking for another. We want this basically written r as a function of theta. Alright, we've got a couple of things that we know. We know because based on a triangle, when we have x and y, we know that the connection between them and r is r squared equals x squared plus y squared, just the Pythagorean theorem. And we also know if we have the angle theta written right here, and we looked and we did adjacent over hypotenuse and solved for x, we'd have x equal r cosine theta. And if we did opposite over hypotenuse and solve for y, we'd have y equal r sine theta. So these are our connections to rectangular coordinates and polar coordinates. So now as I'm looking at my equation, I have x squared plus y squared, so I can replace that with r squared, and then equals 6, and I have y, so I could replace that with r sine theta. Now let's get everything on one side. So we're going to subtract 6r sine theta from both sides. It's r sine theta, and so it'll leave 0 on this side. And let's factor the r that's in common out in front. So we have r times r minus 6 sine theta equals 0. If we set each of these factors equal to 0 and solve it, we would have r equals 0, and that's this one. And then we would have r equals 6 sine theta. And this is the one we want.